Good morning guys, today I am back with a short video. I will tell you how to determine your shock absorbers have gone bad in your car. In fact, when I was traveling for the last few days, I was experienced that the car was bouncing a lot when it was crossing any pothole or any speed breakers. The car used to bounce a lot. Not only that, when I was turning my car over a pothole or any speed breaker, I was getting a cut noise. So normally these two are telltale signs of a weak suspension. So first of all, I opened the suspension at a local workshop and found that my lower arms are in intact position. So the shock absorbers have gone bad, as I could find that there were some stresses of oil and both the ends, that is the tie rod ends of the steering, have got ruptured. In fact, it was damaged severely. So all these two products need serious replacement. So I changed the shock absorbers. This is the left shock absorber. You see, normally a shock absorber will be strong enough and will have a tension, but here you see it's totally gone bad and it's absolutely loose. Not only that, you can see this particular, that is the rod, it will be shiny like this, but here is a color of oil that it shows that the oil has leaked from this particular shock absorber. So this required immediate replacement. So I have replaced it. This is the right one. This is somewhat okay. It is somewhat okay, but the normally here the tension is still there. This shock absorber is still in okay condition, but the normal, but here also you can see the oil has started to leak. But I would have kept it for another few months, but I didn't go for that because the standard practice is you should change the shock absorbers both at a time, because what will happen if you change one of your side will be strong enough and other one will be weak. So there will be premature tire wear, this type of problems will occur. And also not only that, when you will cross a speed breaker or anything like that, one side will cross easily and other side will start bouncing. So you should always change both at a time. And these are the ends that I replaced it. These two particular ends have also got damaged, and this particular dust cover has ruptured. So this was also creating some noise. So I addressed both these things, and now the car is totally soundless and I can easily cross the bumps and potholes without any noise, and car doesn't bounce anymore. Let me show you. You see, the car doesn't bounce anymore. When you press this particular like this, it should not bounce like this. So that will give a message that your shock absorber has gone bad, and in fact it was happening with my car. This one you see also. The cost of shock absorbers front is 1800 each, and these are genuine. I have procured genuine one, and the ends cost you 1500 each. And always ensure when you are replacing these components, you should buy a genuine one. Don't go for aftermarket, it doesn't last long, or even they are cheap. So be careful about that. So that's a short video how to determine weak shock absorbers in your car, and hope you have liked this video and understand how to determine a weak suspension of your car. And if you have liked this video, please do subscribe and share, and do comment in the comment section below if you have any questions regarding this. Thank you very much and goodbye.